seemed to originate from the very walls of the Teed house, and those sounds were so loud that they drew the attention of the neighbors, sparking rumors and concern throughout Amherst. The situation took a darker turn when Dr. Cartwright discovered a menacing message scratched into the wall of Esther's room. It said, "Esther Cox, you are mine to kill." This grim declaration, coupled with a piece of plaster torn from the wall as if emphasizing the threat, left the doctor in disbelief. This chilling moment marked a significant escalation in the mysterious occurrences plaguing Esther, casting a shadow of dread over the Teed household, as well as deepening the mystery surrounding her affliction.